Yo, what's going on, Plastic Man on the forum? I was showing you a video of the difference between a female heartbeat and the baby. The rainbow on the forum. That's baby. At 155, as you can see. Female was over here. Nice and slow. Baby. Oh, she's a bit sneezed. That's the baby, nice and quick. Female, slow. So hopefully that'll give you a quick idea of how it works. It does tell you on the screen. That's the female. Not picked it up, that reading there correctly. But you can see a difference in the two speeds between the baby and the mother, so yeah, that's how you distinguish the two. So yeah, go and get one, enjoy it. See you later. Bye, Plastic Man, mint.